We're unboxing. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Definitely gonna have to take this to the cleaners. Probably need to get hemmed. But we are unboxing. Make sure you follow me online, my YouTube channel, TJ Inspires. The doctor is really lovely. Come on in the camera. We're unboxing some goodies. Let's see. We have a cap. This cap looks kind of... I'm gonna definitely have to try this on to see if it's going to fit. Again, here's the cap. Oh my, oh my, oh my. The cap. We have the hood. I definitely have to try all of this on. Ta-da! Here is the hood. Looks kind of big. Dream the Impossible was released on August the 1st by Tristan Jackson. Dream the Impossible is about Tristan Jackson's quest to achieve her dream of attending college through adversity, challenges, raised by a single parent here in Houston, Texas. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope in the future. Remember, don't follow your dreams, chase them. Dream the impossible dream. Again, please like, share, subscribe. TJ Inspires.